Claude Code is incredible, but it's not free. Every message, every token, it adds up. What if you could run Claude Code on your Mac, completely free, no API key, and no data leaving your computer? I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up using Gemma 4 and Ollama. By the end of this video, you'll have a working, local Claude Code setup running entirely on your Mac or Windows for $0 a month. Let's do it! What do we mean when we say we are gonna run Claude Code locally on our machine for free? Imagine Claude Code is a car. By default, the engine of this car is pointing to Anthropic's model, Opus, Sonnet, Haiku. What we are gonna do is drop the original engine, because that costs tokens via the original API. We are gonna place our own engine inside. In this video, we are gonna use a model provided by Google, Gemma 4 as the engine. To achieve this, we are gonna use a service called Ollama. This is the provider that we are using. Step 1, go to ollama.com and choose the model. Let's search for Gemma 4. This model comes in 4 sizes. Depending on your hardware, you can run it, for example, on a mobile phone like iPhone, which is great and absolutely amazing. If you have a regular laptop, that will work too. It requires about 8 gigs of RAM. And the other 2 options are more powerful. If you have up to 24 gigs, you can get this one with 27 billion parameters, or if you have a really powerful server, then you can go to the strongest model. If you don't know which model to choose out of the available sizes, what you can do is go to Claude Code, to Claude AI or to ChatGPT, give it your hardware specs and ask it, hey dude, I want to install Gemma 4 locally. What size of this model does my hardware allow me to install? In my case, I'm gonna install this one, E2B. I'm just gonna go to download Ollama page, choose your OS, download the installer, and we are good to go. Then we are gonna open our terminal. Don't worry, we are just pasting 2 simple commands and then we are gonna shut it off. So even if you are non-technical, you can follow along. On a Mac, open terminal. On Windows, you can open PowerShell. The simple thing that we are gonna do is just run this command. That's it. This command will run in the background. Then go ahead and open a new terminal window or PowerShell window and run this command, Ollama pull and the model that you chose. In my case, I chose this one, E2B. Basically downloads the model on your local machine. The download is gonna take about 10 minutes, maybe more. This is how it looks like. It starts to pull. The download finished, so you're gonna get 100%. A writing manifest success, and we only have to run one more command and then we are good to go. The last command in the terminal, it's Ollama run and the name of the model. That's it. We can now start Claude Code locally with this model. This is the command that Ollama gives. Just make sure to replace your model. I will copy it and replace the exact model name. I'm using Visual Studio Terminal, but you can open Claude Code in any other IDE or even in the terminal. It doesn't matter. And just replace the name of the model we installed. And let's see, we have a winner. We can see it started and it used our model. So it was that easy. Now let's ask it something. Hey, can you build me an HTML page with a login screen, username, password, and a login button? Please use blue and green as primary colors. And it started generating the page. Let's check it out, see how it actually looks like. Gonna use this HTML to see it. And this is what we got. Now, I will be honest, it's also important to understand the trade-offs. The obvious question is, do we get the same power of Gemma 4 run locally via Claude models? The short answer is no. So let's analyze the trade-offs. If we are gonna run it locally, the biggest advantage is that we have $0 a month. We have absolutely no limits. You can run it offline from Bali or wherever you are. You have full privacy, your data never leaves your machine, and obviously you are not paying for API tokens anymore. This is a big pro. The downside, the model it is less capable, it will definitely be slower, and you will need, if you want to do programming, scripts, deliver client projects, I suggest you use a laptop, not a mobile phone, although Gemma 4 has their smallest model, can be run on a mobile phone, but you're gonna need at least 8 gigs of RAM. When does Gemma 4 make sense? If you just want to learn Claude Code, you are working on low complexity tasks, then you don't need to use Opus 4.6 for those. Most probably it's overqualified. Think of it like using Einstein for doing basic math. Now, to optimize costs, you can use Gemma 4 on the low complexity tasks and use Sonnet or Opus on the critical projects. The great news is that Google offers a free commercial license, so go ahead and install it yourself. Now, switching to a less capable model for low complexity tasks is just one method to keep your costs down. But there are about 20 ways to optimize your token usage. I attached the entire cheat sheet in the first link in the description, so go ahead and grab it.